Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about our stay here in Kuala Lumpur, the capital city of Malaysia. We booked a nice apartment through Airbnb and I'm going to share our experience with you. This is the Vortex apartment in KLCC. We stayed in a big 3-bedroom unit and the price was only 250 MYR per day, which is a great deal for this location. The best thing about this place is the location. It's only 500 meters from the Petronas Twin Towers and Surya KLCC Mall, so shopping, food and all the main attractions are very close. So this is our apartment, and it is located on the 29th floor of the building. As soon as you enter, you will see a long hallway. It gives a spacious feeling, and right near the entrance, there is a dining table. The whole room is beautifully decorated by the host. The living area feels very warm and modern. The host also kept some Malaysia tourism guide pamphlets for us, which was very helpful. The hall also has a projector with a smart TV connection, so you can watch movies or YouTube on a big screen. And of course, there is high-speed Wi-Fi, which worked really well during our stay. There is also an air conditioner in the hall, so even on hot KL days, the room stays cool and comfortable. The host also added small stickers near important items like the AC, speaker, furniture and storage room. These stickers had clear instructions on how to use everything and to handle things carefully. When it came to check-in, the host shared all the information early through the Airbnb chat, and the whole process was very smooth. Now let's check out the first master bedroom. The room looks very cute and welcoming because the host has decorated it with monkey toys on the bed. It adds a fun and warm touch to the room. The bedroom has both a fan and an air conditioner, so you can choose whatever is comfortable. There is also a big storage cupboard, which is helpful for keeping all your clothes and luggage. This room also comes with an attached bathroom. Inside, you have a water heater, jet spray, shower area, and the host has also provided clean towels for the stay. Now let's check the kitchen. It has everything you need if you want to do some quick cooking during your stay. There are plates, cups, and all the basic utensils neatly arranged. You also get a washer and dryer, which is really useful for longer stays. There is a fridge as well, so you can store your drinks, snacks, and groceries without any problem. Overall, the kitchen is clean, organized, and fully functional for daily use. Now this is the third small bedroom. It has a bunk bed and even a baby cradle. The room only has a ceiling fan and there is no AC, but it's still neat and well arranged. The second bedroom is almost a clone of the primary bedroom. It has the same layout, same style, and everything is in good condition. There was no maintenance needed, and the room was clean and ready to use. The building also has some useful facilities. The swimming pool is on the 6th floor, and just a note, it's a paid pool, so you have to pay 20 RM per person per day if you want to use it. Right next to the pool, there is a small convenience store for quick items. And on the ground floor, there is a 7-Eleven, so snacks and basic supplies are always easy to get. The Vortex apartment also has the KL Rapid Monorail running nearby, and the station is just a 3-minute walk from the building. Connectivity in KL is average, so getting around can take some time. For us, Grab was the best and easiest option for traveling anywhere in the city. But overall, this apartment really covers everything you need for a comfortable stay, location, facilities, and convenience. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.